Have you ever looked at your watch or your phone and thought, yeah, I know what time it is? Well, get ready for a wild ride because astronomers just turned that idea completely upside down. Turns out we might be wrong about time itself. Let me explain. For centuries, we thought of time as this invisible river, always flowing forward, steady and predictable. Einstein shook things up with relativity, showing that time can bend, stretch, or slow down depending on gravity or how fast you're moving. But now, astronomers are finding signs that even that isn't the whole story. Here's the mind-bender. Recent observations of distant galaxies show that time out there doesn't tick at the same rate as it does here. Imagine looking through a telescope and seeing galaxies billions of light years away. Because of how far they are, you're actually seeing them as they were billions of years ago. But astronomers noticed that cosmic events, like supernova explosions, seem to happen in slow motion the farther away you look. It's not just an illusion. The deeper you gaze into space, the slower time seems to crawl. This isn't sci-fi. It's literally what we see. Why does this happen? Well, the universe is expanding. As space itself stretches, it stretches out the light from distant objects. And with it, it stretches out our sense of time. So an explosion that takes 1 second to happen up close might look like it takes several seconds from a galaxy billions of light years away. It's almost like watching a movie in slow motion, but the movie is the early universe. But here's what really blew my mind. This means there's no single now that everyone in the universe shares. Time isn't absolute. Your now isn't the same as someone else's now way across the cosmos. Astronomers call this time dilation, and it's a real, measurable effect. So the next time you glance at your clock, remember out in the far reaches of the universe, time is playing by different rules. The universe isn't just stranger than we imagine, it's stranger than we imagined. If you enjoyed this cosmic brain twist, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing science, and tell me in the comments, what else about the universe blows your mind? Thanks for watching.